with your beats. HustleDreamProduction.
Look, I gotta go to Florida, okay? It's this barber event happening, and yeah, I'm taking my wife. They're flying us out. So we're packing right now, making sure that we have everything we have. I have my brushes here. Okay, I got my cologne. I have pretty much everything I need. At this point, all I need is my brushes. As long as I got my brushes, we're good. But yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. I have a flight out in Sacramento. The flight leaves at 10:30, okay? So we gotta be there at least, the latest, by 8:30, okay? Even though 8:30 is a little pushing it, I don't like being there super early, all right? And I know Sacramento's airport, you get in and you get out, okay? This isn't like Atlanta where it's super busy. This ain't like Dallas where it's super busy, okay? Let's go. All right, you guys. I gotta mention that the barber plug is the one that's flying us out. So shout out to the barber plug. But it ain't like we running late or anything. But we pretty much gotta put a move on it. Gotta put a step on it. Okay, all right, let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
We are waiting to basically jump on the plane right now, man. Our group is 7, so it's.
I got time for snacks.
We got time for snacks.
I got time for myself.
We got time to basically do everything that we do when we wait. I don't know why she.
Everything we do when we wait.
Relax. First of all, I don't know why she's wearing a mask. I do, but we're not gonna get into that right now, okay? Whatever problems that she has with her tooth, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Hopefully the antibiotics can kick in, you know what I'm saying? By then, hopefully she doesn't be with the, by the time the by the time the event happens, huh? Hopefully it'll clear up tomorrow. We'll see.
I'll show him.
Right.
I'll be a good sport.
You gonna okay?
I'll be a good sport. My tooth is swollen. I went to the dentist.
All right.
Babe, don't look at me like
All right,
that.
let's
They ain't been to the dentist before.
let's just go. I think they're calling us right now.
HustleDreamProduction.
Key. All right, you guys, when we got off the airport, we was super tired, so I was like, I'm not finna vlog, I'm not finna record nothing. It's too hectic right now. So today is the event day. We're going to, what is it, the Barber Summit? What's it called? The Summit of Barbering of the class of some type of, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it's called. It's
business connection.
It's not the CT Barber Expo. It's J Major's doing that. You guys will see it in the video. For crying out loud. Right now it's taking a minute. We're on the 33rd floor. We fell back asleep, but we can meet in the lobby in 20 minutes. Starbucks. Starbucks? No, I'm not going to. Where's Starbucks?
He just said it's like a block up.
Come on. You can't even really hear him like that. I'm the one that got the mic. I clearly didn't dress for this weather. clearly, we've got our coffee. My wife is a little slow. It's been sitting there this whole time. But all right, so we're going back. They're waiting at the lobby right now for us. So yeah, we'll be on our way to get something to eat or straight to the event because obviously we're kind of late, to be honest. We're kind of late. I mean, we're not late, but we're late to go get something to eat. That's what it is. All right, we're finally getting into the car here. Put my bag in last. Just, oh snap, almost bit it.
No, actually, low-key, I had a client, bro, because of that TikTok we posted. I had a client come last week, and it's a white kid, and he's like, bro, you know Jeezy? I'm like, yeah. He's like, bro, I got a bone to pick with him. I really thought I could get waves because of him. And he got like straight hair.
He got straight hair? Oh.
And he was like, bro, I was brushing and brushing, and I swore I was gonna get waves. I never got waves. Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you. I appreciate you.
Yeah, no
Boy, I
problem,
didn't get
no
you
problem.
earlier.
Yeah,
I
it's
seen you
all
had to
good.
use the restroom.
I can't throw my up. I feel like that.
You got to bring it up.
Look at me.
That's good. Yeah, I got you. Hold on, what do I need to say?
What it is?
Okay, listen, am I speaking to the barbers? Am I doing what Marvy Marv is doing? What am I doing? Barbers? Or what are we doing here? Listen, shout out to everybody out there, man. It's 360 Jeezy. We out.
One picture. Sorry.
No problem.
Yo, what's up?
What's good? What's going on right here? What is this? What are we doing? This is Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. What are we doing?
All of it.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
No problem. What's good? Yeah, it's all good.
I love your YouTube, bro.
Appreciate it.
You kill that
Appreciate
shit,
it.
dude.
Yeah.
I'm proud of the content. Is fire.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem. Thanks for watching, man.
Thank you, bro.
For real.
Be easy, bro.
How are you? Good?
Hey, I'm sad right now. Down a quarterback. Not doing too good right now. I'm watching it online. Interception. I mean, a fumble. No, it was a fumble. We're not doing too good. So it's kind of...
I appreciate you, bro.
No problem.
Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, how much do I cut right now?
I ain't cutting right now. I gotta get on my good side. Yeah, no, that's all good.
That's crazy. I've been watching you since I was a kid.
A kid?
I'm talking about like that. I'm talking about way before your brother, like when you started making the beats for real and everything. And I make beats because of your brother too.
That's what's up. Hey, appreciate you following me, bro. Appreciate it. Thanks for following me.
Heck yeah, brother. Appreciate that.
Thanks for following me.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate that. How you doing? I'm 19, Christian. Nice to meet
yeah?
you. But Wavy Kid Kev, the opportunity he gave him inspired me. I want to put myself out there more, bro. So thank you.
What's up.
You know, everything you've done for the, the young barbering industry. I appreciate it, man. I'm a barber scholar now, but.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. Just keep going hard.
Yeah,
man.
I will.
Keep going hard. 360 Jeezy.
Oh my God.
My vocal. That's me. That's me.
I've dreamt for this moment. But my question is, in all seriousness, Jeezy, do you have any advice for a 19-year-old or a beginning barber, a young barber, when it comes to content and just, do you have any advice for them at all?
What are you talking about? Are you talking about like making content?
Yeah, when it comes to making content and the process of becoming, in order, like, creating consistent quality as well as, consistent content.
Well, what I would say to anybody that's new trying to get into it is just to do it. Like Marv said, a lot of times we create the content and then don't put it out because we are afraid to, maybe it looks wrong or you see a line is a little bit crooked. Like it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff that I felt like I shouldn't put it out because I've seen little areas where I could have done better, but I just put it out there anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's going to inspire the next person. It's going to inspire the next generation. That's what I did. I was like, you know what? I may not be like the Pacino, but I'm gonna be the 360 Jeezy of the next generation that's coming up. You know what I mean? So just put your stuff out there. Do your ideas.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing. Do
write
your
them
ideas.
Down and
write them down.
Plan them out. Plan to fail to plan.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Every idea that comes to my mind, I just go out there and do it.
Just do it.
Yeah.
And critique and then make it better if it doesn't work.
If it doesn't work out, find a way to fine tune it and film it again or do it again. But do it.
Yep.
That's the main thing.
Thank you, 360.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you, my man.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Love you, bro.
Thank you. Wow.
It's freaking amazing. Just the fact that you could even make a video of me, thank you so much.
Yeah.
But I'm definitely, I won't take anything you gave me for granted or like in the beginning. I was I was very nervous. Luckily, I have a mentor, my stepdad, who's been in the game for 10 plus years.
That's what's up.
But what you gave, Wavy Kid Kev and just opportunity, like, just, you don't have an ego. You don't, you're a regular person.
Right.
Everybody puts their pants on the same way every single day. So it's like the way you treat yourself. And
I was in school just like everybody else, man, and I just was like, you know what? Man, I'm about to record this stuff.
Yeah.
That's all I did, start recording it. Next thing you know, people was like, man, how do you do that? How you do that? So I was like, okay, let me teach them how I did this.
Yeah.
I wasn't a good speaker. I'm not even a good speaker right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm just winging this stuff right now, Yeah.